Houston, we have a problem.
Because this mission, it's about to go completely out of control. Welcome aboard Space Shuttle, the iconic looping coaster at Enchanted Kingdom, and one of the most legendary thrill rides in the Philippines. Strap in, restraints locked, heart rate rising.
All on our own.
3, 2, 1, lift off.
Oh, that was quick. A little bit rough. Just a little bit rough, but that's fine. Okay, to the top. Space Shuttle, a classic boomerang coaster, a theme park favorite. Approved.
For me, a bit too shaky, especially on the way back. It was a little bit too much.
If you like POVs like this, don't forget to like and subscribe. We will see you in the next video.